Hi, I'm Dawn Thomas here at the Garden Center at Johnson Nursery, and today I'm going to show you how to plant a pot. Please squeeze the container that your flower is in, and then cup your hand around the base here to support the plant, and gently ease the soil mass and roots out. And you'll notice that there's a lot of roots that are bound and turned around. We typically break off no more than a third of the base of those. When you're choosing your container size, you want to go at least about an inch all the way around. You want to make sure that you have the base of the plant no higher than the lip of the pot, and then you're going to fill the rest with soil around the base, and you're gently going to pack it in, because a lot of air will not encourage growth, and when you water, your dirt will settle, and then it won't have good connection to the root system. You want to make sure you water it in really good and let the water drain out the hole at the bottom. Hope this was helpful.